We're gonna do one of my favorite things to do up here in Borgafjäll, jump waterfalls. But it's freezing cold, like 4 degrees in the water, so we definitely need wetsuits. How are you feeling, Simon, for the first time?
I'm feeling very, very good. Very excited.
How are you, Simon, jumping from the highest one with me?
I'll take a look at the highest one first, but I think so.
Sometimes it's really hard to even get to the highest point because if it's too much water, you can't cross the river. But last time when I almost drowned in the current, it was a lot of days with consistent heavy rain. I think it's less currents now. Arriving here always get my heart pumping a bit. I think you never know what to expect, and I think also the fact that I had a near-death experience here 3 years ago adds some spice as well to my feelings arriving here. It's always a lot of fun. You just need to treat it with a lot of respect, because that current and the power from that waterfall is pretty huge. It's always beautiful though. The highest peak is the one you see to the right of the waterfall. I think it's roughly 12 meters, and that's the one which is my favorite. But you also really need to make sure that you jump long enough, otherwise you're gonna get dragged in there. And then let's start climbing upwards. So here we got two options. You can jump on the rocks or take yourself to that one and try to swim without getting caught by the water. Okay, cool. Skjuta sig dit. Fånga den stenen. Ja. Ja, snyggt. Snyggt. Right. Belly flop time. Damn exciting! I slipped. This is when you feel alive, or at least when I feel alive. It's just beautiful, it's nature, and it's jumps. That's the spot I want to jump, but we need to cross the river somewhere. Yeah, just go as far out as you can.
Ingen minns en Fredrik. Vad min tur!
Ja.
I'm so scared. Okej. Ja, det får göra.
I think I could probably do that one.
Should we go up and have a look?
I think we could have a look.
Okay, I'm trying a more fun approach to the same jump. If you fall in, you're fucked. It's raining now as well. Gives good feeling, I think. We are gonna hike up to the higher point and see if we can find a way over. A good rule of thumb is if it's too much water to cross the river, it's too dangerous to jump. It only applies to this specific spot, but we might be able to cross there. It's quite a lot of water, so yeah, if we can find a safe spot to cross. You have like one shot, otherwise you're gonna get carried away.
It has to be a throw.
Yeah.
But if you miss catching that rock,
You're gonna get carried all the way down to the waterfall, and yeah, you're gonna have a very bad time ahead of you. There is one spot for me to get over, but Simon could not make that jump.
rocks are slippery.
Okay, yeah, but that's too strong to walk. Alright, I'm gonna do the jump. Simon is gonna walk back, and then, yeah, I'm gonna do the big jump. Just getting down to the exit point is quite gnarly as well. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty fucking terrifying. It's always nice with some air time. Alright, yeah, we're done with the jumps and we're gonna get into the safety equipment and yeah, make our way down here. I never done it before, so it's gonna be super interesting to see how this is gonna turn out. I'm quite painful. Okay, so the whole canyon thing wasn't really that intense. It was more like, yeah, going from place to place. But I think there's some sort of slide down here if the water levels aren't too hectic, which is gonna take us out in the lake. So maybe that's cool. Det här ser häftigt ut.
Ja, det är ganska häftigt. Vi måste verkligen ta det som
Yeah, I'm gonna do it again and try to film actually. Ooh, but that was scary. You were being taken around. Since we decided to try the rafting, which wasn't even that intense, it was it was cozy. But yeah, I need to walk a good 20 minutes back up the mountain again, get back to the waterfall and pick my camera gear, which I left out here. Anyway, that was a little cozy Sunday video from me, and see you guys in the next one. Puss och kram.